hear noise and stuff in your speakers, that's because of your cables. You got them cheap cables, man. Hey, I'm Shadario, and welcome to the home studio where we talk about music and a lot of equipment. So in this video here, we're gonna be talking about how to set up a home studio, some of the things that you may need. I'm gonna ping a video somewhere on the left or right, show you my home studio tour that I did last year. I have upgraded since then, since I broke everything down and I moved into this room here. I thought I'd film me setting everything up or whatever. And we can go over some of the newer gear that I got since last year as well. So let's get it. Man, I got the Eureka and this DBX expander gate and compressor. Like, I don't even use them shit. I just had them for so long, man. So I just need to get the 19-inch little rack spacing, man. For right now, just do it because I don't like my racks to be looking open. So that's the only reason I put them in here. Like, I don't even drill them in because you never know, I might get rid of them tomorrow.
Anyways, you just want me to put your name. When I'm asking, you just want to put your name, title, email, but we don't have no location.
Hey look, it doesn't matter if you got a rack or not, bro. Let's get you a power condenser. If lightning strikes, it's gonna burn out that power condenser before it burn out all your gear, man. Power condenser helping you out with your sound. So somebody in the living room watching TV or somebody vacuuming and shit, you can hear that signal through the sound, through the electricity, through the wires. When you put your headphones on, it should be completely quiet. That's how you know you got a power condenser and you got the right cables, which we're gonna talk about cables pretty soon. Check out my unboxing video on this guy right here. This is the WA-73. And you can get just the preamp without the EQ, but I had to be greedy, you know what I mean? And I just got everything, but all right, so let me show y'all what this look like. Spin the bread for your cables, man. So when you cut your speakers on, you shouldn't hear nothing. You hear noise and stuff in your speakers, that's because of your cables. You got them cheap cables, man. So a lot of y'all is running just straight TRS. TRS on this end, TRS on the other end. See, I'm running XLR into my speaker. But to go in to my interface, the other end has to be TRS, right? So I had that about for a minute. I paid like $150 for this thing, man. Don't throw away nothing. Keep all your cords, all your cables. I travel with this thing here. Take it here with a long time. I had this stand for like, ever since I first built the studio, they had it about 15 years ago. I paid $30 for the stand. I still got it. Now the reason why I use both of these because the pop filter keeps me at a certain distance from the mic, so all that matters. That's a whole nother video, so. Alright, so if you stay to the end of the video, man, that's pretty much how I set up my home studio. you know. But a lot of stuff I just accumulate over time and I upgrade it slowly from the PC to Mac. Appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. We're at 581 subscribers. I know I've been slacking on my upload.